Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you want to remove and permanently remove the Valorant from your PC, so this video is for you. I will show step by step how you can completely remove the Valorant in a right way. Okay, so let's start the process. First of all, you need to exit the game here. If it is running like this, you need to right click on Riot client and simply exit it. Once you have exit, you need to go to here and you need to type for add or remove programs. Open that up and you need to type here Valorant, and once you type here Valorant you will see the its folder and the game name. Click on three dots and simply click on uninstall. Click on uninstall, and once you click on uninstall, the uninstallation process will begin like this, but this is not the right way. Many of users do that. We have to completely remove it. Two steps we need to follow more. Now you can see uninstall is successfully uninstalled. Click on done. Now we are not done yet. We need to open the file explorer and go to the location where you have installed it. In my case, I have installed into C drive, and inside here we should able to see the Riot games. Double click on that and you can see the Riot client here. So if you want to remove it permanently from here, all the folders, and if you are able to see the Valorant folder here, you can delete that. But if you want to remove all the directory including the Riot, so you need to press shift and delete button, or you can directly delete here. Now you can see it has been deleted. Moreover, we need to press Windows plus R button and type here percentage local app data percentage, and inside here we need to look for Valorant also, Riot game you can see here, and we need to double click on it and see if the Valorant is there. You can see, so we are going to delete this also, Riot game, hit delete. Now we have successfully deleted it. Also you need to empty the bin from here. Let me show you here. Right click on it and simply empty the bin. Yes, and after that you have to restart your system guys, and I'm pretty sure you have uninstalled the Valorant completely and successfully. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Also you can join the membership. So thank you, thanks for watching.